A great cake is packed full of flavour and really moist, and this cake has both those qualities. Plus, it uses lemongrass, which is often growing wild in your backyard or one of your neighbours. But first things first, we want to preheat the oven to 170 and wax a 23 centimetre cake pan. So we're just going to blitz up the lemongrass and sugar. I'm using a raw sugar because it'll help break it down even further. And we want to do this until it's a little bit green in colour and moist, that favourite word. This might take a little while and you might have to get a little bit rough with it. Okay, that's looking great. And we're going to pop that into this bowl. And from here, we are going to beat in 8 eggs, 1 egg at a time. Now we're going to add the butter piece by piece until it's nice and fluffy. I'm just going to add the coconut now, which will help with the mixing. I'm just going to put the flour in and the baking powder. Woo! All right, that's looking good now. So we're going to pop this into the cake pan. There we go. You also don't want to overmix your flour once it's in there because that sort of can make it go a bit tough. So this into the oven for about 30 minutes. While the cake's in the oven, this is the perfect time to do the syrup. You want it nice and hot, so when the cake comes out, you can start steeping it straight away. So we're equal parts sugar. It can be any sugar. I just like using raw. Water. And then we're going to infuse all of this lovely stuff. You can go as simple or as complicated as you like. I've got some lovely citrus buds growing in the garden at the moment, so I'm going to pop them in. Kaffir lime leaves. We'll break one of these lemongrass stalks in half and pop it in there, and then we're just going to bring it to a low simmer until the sugar dissolves and breaks down, let's say about 6 minutes. Okay, so the sugar's dissolved now, and because these flavours are quite strong, I'm going to take them off the liquid just because it can get a bit astringent. Some syrups can handle just sitting on there and steeping away for a bit longer, but we want to get these off, especially the kaffir lime. So now this is ready to get drizzled over our cake once it's done. Okay, we're looking great. We're just going to make sure it comes out clean, perfect, and we're going to poke a few holes. Try and use something small and spiky. That's my cake tester. And then we add the liquid that we made, just slowly. It'll go into some of those natural little breaks. This cake is just such a showstopper. It's great for if you're having a curry night or any sort of Asian flavors because it's still so refreshing and bright. And you can put it with creme fraiche or double cream. It will not let you down.